All right, we got another install. It's just blooming hot out here. The AP's right over there, and we actually connecting a house right at the outskirts of the RV park. So now we got to take a wire from it there, down the soffit, down that way, and right in the window where they got coax cable now. Going to take it out and run our wire in it. It's just blooming hot out here, but let's get this wire ran and then get them to let us in so we can run the wire in there and put the end on it, plug it all in, and get them all ready to go. I've already activated their account, programmed the radios and all, so all I got to do is plug it in and point it and get rid of these darn aggravating gnats. All right, get to work in air conditioning. Wire came right through there. We're going to put it right behind here. Sit the good old air cube right there. Plug this in right there. Be ready to go. PoE. See if we can get some lights. There we go. It's ready. Plug in PoE. Plug it in. Light her up while she's booting. I'll be putting the end on this cable and plug it in, and account is active. Radio's dropped in, so we should be ready to go as soon as we plug this in. Woo! As you can see, my face is nice and red out here in the sun, sweating. Oh, but it's all connected. They're happy. Now I'm going to drive an hour and a half to get back home. It's been a long day. Thank you for watching, liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing, and all that good stuff. Can't even think straight. It's too hot. I'll see you in the next one.